Hello everyone, welcome to JB Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe to it for more interesting videos. Enable notification. We are continuing on Postman series. Alright, today we'll see how to integrate with the Jenkins and how to run our Postman collection. Alright, first of all, how to set up Jenkins in our system. Alright, now just open the google.com, then Jenkins download. Right, we can go to just click on it and just long-term support only, download long-term support only. Right, just okay, there will be a Windows. Right, we need a WAR file. Right, we want a WAR file. Right, generic Java package WAR file. Click on that WAR file. Right, it will download that WAR file. Right, Jenkins.war file it will download. Right, just go to downloads folder and extract it. Okay, I am keeping here. I am generate. Okay, I will create one folder here, Jenkins. Right, then once it is downloaded, open the command prompt here. Right, we have to start that. How to start it? Java-jar. Right, this Jenkins is developed on top of Java. Right, then Java-jar. What is the file name? Jenkins.war. The press enter. Right, press enter. It will start the Jenkins. Right, if we are installing first time is right, we have to set up some plugins, we have to install it. Otherwise, right, whatever it is existing plugins, the right C drive, it will in the users directory, it will already downloaded some plugins, it will take it. If it is the first time means it will ask. Okay, wait for it. Right, now it started up and running because I already have previously right installed. Right, what is happening? It is updating old one. Suppose you are installing first time. Right, first time what will happen? Right, once it is up and running. Right, once it is up and running, just we have to press localhost. By default port is 8080. Localhost :8080. Right, when we are running first time, right, it will ask right, unlock Jenkins. It will give the path here, C drive program files. Just copy that and open. Right, here you will get initial admin password. You can open Notepad+, copy it and paste here. Continue. Click on the continue. Right, it will ask for plugins. Right, just choose the default plugins. Click OK. Default plugins. Click OK. Right. Then after that it will open the login page. Right, it will, before that it will ask to create the credentials. It will ask for the one more page, it will come create credential. Give your name and username password you can give, and remember save those somewhere, save it and then click on it. Right, now I already have created, so right, it's coming directly. Right, I have created some username password. Right, click on the sign in. Right, if you have already created, it is populating. So previously I have one project, now it is coming. Right, now how to run Postman collection here. Right, now click on new item. Click on new item. Just I will give Postman. Right, Postman collection. We can select directly, go to freestyle project. Right, freestyle project. Right, click on the freestyle, click on the OK button. Right, click on the OK button. Okay, it's opening. Okay, if you want to give description, we can discard old bills. Right, we can click on discard. Right, if you want to discard old bills, we can discard it. Right, for now just we are getting from the local, we are not getting from the Git. We will see later in the next session how to get from the Git. Right, now here we have to add the build step, right? Here the build step is execute Windows batch command, right? Windows batch command, right? What we have to give here, we have to run same thing in the Newman right? We have to run using Newman only. Currently I am running from the my local system. I am not running on any agent, right? I am not running any slaves, right? Directly I am running from my local system. So make sure that Newman is running, right? Currently in my system, right, already we have installed Newman, right? Just make sure if you don't have Newman, right, just we have to install, right, Node.js, and then Newman we have to install Node.js, npm, right, Newman. If you don't know how to install those, just go to my Postman series, then you can find the right video, there you can how to install it. Right, here how to run Newman, run, and then we have to give the collection name, right? Right, just we have to give the collection name, right? Let me, where my collection is, right? My collection is under here, right? Slash, right? Go rest, this one, right? But when you are running from the Jenkins, make sure there are no spaces, right? Make sure that there is no spaces. Right, remove spaces if you have any spaces. Right, slash go rest. It is not reflecting. Just come back and again click on it. Right, slash. Why it is not reflecting? Okay, copy this. Okay, copy the path and come to our Jenkins. Give that. Right, this is the name, right? Okay, now just click on apply, click on save, right? Just click on the build now. Once we click on the build now, it will generate the build here, right? Just click on it, right? There is some issue. What is the issue? Directly open the console, right? Newman run, new, see, spelling mistake. A new run, I have spelling mistake, right? You have to make sure there should not be any mistakes, right? Correct the Newman run. Okay, then click on save, click on build again, right? One more build generated, open. You can click on console output, it is running very fast, but okay, it was run, all are failed. Why? Because environment variable, we have environment variables also, right? But I did not given any, it's working fine, right? And also there are some junk characters are coming, right? How to remove these, right? I will tell you that. Before that, right, how to run using environment variables. Now come to Postman collection, click on the configure. Right, if you want to update, just give -e, what is the path of the environment variables, right? JSON file, environment JSON file, just give that. Click on save it again, click on the build now, right? It will generate, right, one more build. Let's see, it's very clear and right, it got now success. Now you want to generate HTML report, right? This is the console report only, right? If you want to generate HTML report, right, what we have to do before that, I think if you anyone watching directly this one, we have to install npm install -g Newman -reporter.html extra. We have to install this, right, this software, then only it will work. Now what is the -r HTML extra? We have to give -r HTML extra. Just come to again configure, right, paste here. Before that it should install this HTML extra plugin, right? -r HTML extra, save it, click on the build now, right? Now click on it, console output. If you want to see it is generated. Right, we are getting some issue with the report actually, right? If you configure, default location, right? So we will configure our own location, right? How to configure that our own location? Right, here we can give one more extra parameter, right? Here we have to give the one more extra parameter to generate report in our custom location, right? hyphen reporter HTML extra export, right? Where I want to generate, this is the location I have given to generate the report here, right? Just then coming to, right, I want to show this in the, right, in the Jenkins report, right? How to show that? Right, first we have to make sure that, right, come to dashboards, right, manage Jenkins, right? We have to install the plugin, HTML reporter plugin, right? Go to plugins, right? Search for HTML publisher. Right, I already installed, that's why I am getting update. Just if we have already, if it is the first time, is it will ask for the install, just install it, right? We have to install this plugin, right? Then now come to our, right, come back to our job, right? Now configure, right? Now here, right, in the post build steps, right, we can add in the post build steps, right, add post build. Here we will get a publish HTML report, right? You can click on it. If you click on it, it will expand like this, right? Now we have generated custom location, right? We have to give that custom location, right? Our name, how it is generating name, right? Go rest, we can give star or starting with, my report is starting with go rest, then star, after that anything, .html and report name. You can give any report name, automation report or something. Publish option, enable this, keep past HTML reports, so that it will store the past HTML report, otherwise it will not store, it will show only latest build report, right? Just click on it, click on apply, click on save. Right, now click on build now. Right, now come here, right, it is opening, okay, console output, right, it is generated successfully. Just refresh the build, right, it, see here it is generated HTML report, right, HTML report, but it is not, it is generated, but it is not showing properly. It is not showing properly. Then what is the reason? There is some issue with the Jenkins, so we have to enable, right, come to manage Jenkins, click on the manage Jenkins, and then go to, there is a script console, right? In the script console, right, there is a, right, system.set property, we have to set this Hudson.model.directory browser support.csp, right, this one as a empty, right? We have to run this script, right? Once we run it, now come to again dashboard, now again run it, we have to run it again, right? Old reports will not come, only latest reports. Right, once it is generated, right, still it is showing same one, right? After configuring, just wait for 5 to 10 seconds, just run it again, right? Now if we see, right, see, now it is properly generating, report was properly generated, we are able to see in the Jenkins, right? Right, see, right, in the next session we will see from the GitHub, we will integrate with GitHub and we will execute. Alright, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification, please like the video, share to your friends. If you have anything, comment in the comment section. Right, thanks for watching.